Money talks.
How long do you have?
People are like phones. You need to get the passcode to know everything about them. What I said.
Let it slide.
Hustle and bustle. Then the characteristic sound and the announcer's voice.
You know, Chibuzo has got your back. You need me to help you type anything.
Oh. Can I have your phone? Just in case he decides not to pick up my call.
My dear.
Don't try it. Just keep mute and save us both the trouble.
You cannot claim ownership of a specific seat.
Well, that's a shame because whether you like it or not, this is my seat. And that's just because some people are better than others.